Good morning, college and tutor. My name is Ivan Rojas. This unit is Understand the Negotiation, presented to Carla Natalia Triana, today, October 16, 2020. Then I am going to explain my problem 3. The first cause is lack of protection of intellectual property in some countries. The second cause is a biotechnology that is not clearly defined or finished. The third cause is the licensee could obtain in the right to operate in the some territories of the licensor. The consequences are limited access to biotechnology resources. The licensor may incur costly development activities to satisfy the license. The licensor can absorb the licensor sale. My recommendation as a company consultant that does not have of the economic or logistical resource for the production of its technology, or simply wonder to license a third party. I would recommend that it not enter into the competition between the leasing company and the license, respecting the jurisdiction of operation. The country of origin of the new company plays very important roles when having the legislation regarding intellectual property licenses of patents.